Hey Natural Divas, it is I, the Naturally Mature One, coming to you with another video. I'm sorry I have not been on here for a while again. I've had two things to stop me from not doing videos. One was I'm sick. I know you can hear my voice. I've caught a cold and I don't know how I did that because somebody must have got me, coughed on me, germed me up or something, but I've caught a cold. And I'm trying to figure out how to deal with this cold because it's the first time I've been sick since I started my medication for breast cancer. And they don't really like me taking a lot of stuff, so I had to go see the pharmacist and see what can I take or talk to my oncologist. So dealing with that. And then my daughter returned to college. She's back taking college courses again, so she needs her laptop because my laptop expired, as I can say. As my husband said, I killed another laptop. Well, hey, I think it expired. It wasn't me. So, I have to get another laptop. I try not to bother her when she's taking courses so I can edit my videos, but on this one I had to bother her because I wanted y'all to see. It is November. It's November the 19th. Yes, it's November 19th. And I received my Curlbox. I wanted to share with y'all what I received. Whoever new to my channel don't know about Curlbox. Curlbox is a monthly subscription, excuse me, where you have to sign up, and so most of the time you got to get on a waiting list to pay $20 for a box and then $5 for shipping. And it's a monthly subscription where they give you different lines, full size products, and there's always one line of the product to for you to try out, and it's really worth the funds because this is my second box. My first box I got a lot of can. It was can 2 for October, and I used almost every bit of the can 2. And as I went to go price can 2, it's round, and I think we made out more with Curlbox than we did if you go buy the product 15th to the 18th, unless it's a holiday or something, you might get a little later. And excuse me, y'all, I'm sorry. And it's one way you can get products without not becoming a product junk. Every time I get one, I want to unbox with you all. So as I open it up, there's a container with some bubble wrap around it in Curlbox. Looking at the first container, it's Natural Fusion Chia Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask. Deeply repairs, boosts hydration from Palmer's. Now I remember Palmer's back when I was younger, and it dealt more with skincare. I did not know they had a hairline, so that's something new for me. Alright, and let's get the box out the box. Let's open it up. Let's cut it open. Guys, forgive me. Oh, listen. I'm trying not to make all these crazy sounds while I'm doing this video. My daughter said, "You might want to need to wait," but I told her I could not wait to show y'all what was in my Curlbox. So here's the Curlbox, the pretty pink box. My favorite, one of my favorite colors, as I told you. And yes, it's not October anymore, it's November, and I know it's not breast cancer awareness, but please, ladies, keep on checking those tatas. Try to do monthly checkups on your own, your self-checks. Make sure there's no lumps. Remember, check it out. So here's the Curlbox. When I open it up, it looks like this. Very colorful. Curlbox this month is dealing with the art issue. Curlbox, the art issue, is dealing with the arts. I don't want you to see what which comes the side look. And it gives you how to reinvent your expression and beauty when it comes to reinventing ourselves. So I'll read that. And on the back, nothing on the back. I got another one of those cards that's telling you if you use it, tell us what you think about it on Instagram. But then I got another Natural Fusion exclusive offer, save 40% on Natural Fusion DIY oil kits at palmers.com on code Curlbox. So in this box, they give you also another card explaining what's in here. When I open it up, forgive me now. This cold is killing me. The first thing I see is Lavender Rose Water Conditioner by Natural Fusion. Hydrating, repair, replaces lost moisture, and softens hair. And it's a full bottle. It is, how many ounces? Let's see. I'm thinking this. Can you see that, guys? Yes. I don't see the ounces over here. Alright, and the next one is Micellar Rose Water Cleanser. A clarifying shampoo. And I love clarifying shampoos because I get buildup in my hair and I have to clarify my hair. So it's a clarifying shampoo. Guys, forgive me. My brain is in fog. But it's a clarifying shampoo. It is 12 ounces. These both are 12 ounces. So I have the shampoo and the rose water conditioner. I can't wait to try it. I'm just curious how they smell. Smell clean, like soapy for the shampoo. Let's see about the cleanser. The conditioner. It's okay, don't have a strong smell at all. Alright, and the next thing you have is the leave-in conditioner, mallow root leave-in conditioner. It's smooth, comb through, and detangling. As mallow root, the mallow plant is well. Can't read it because I put a thing on it. Natural properties that increase hair slip and smoothness, making it perfect for detangling and shine. So. And the last thing they give you out the whole line is hair food oil. And it nourishes and fuels hair and scalp. No sulfates, no parabens, no minerals or gluten. And that's in all of these products. No sulfates. So in all of these products. And I want to see how this oil smells. They all have a clean smell. So the whole line. And then the first one I showed you was the deep conditioner, the chia seed, argan oil hair mask. And that's how it looks. Has no really a smell, just clean smell. Alright, I'm going to try these out and let you know in another video how it turns out. But that is the Curlbox for November. I have never had Palmer's before. All I can do is try, see how I like it or not. If I don't, I just won't use it. If I do, I'll be rocking it out. but they gave you a coupon, and then they gave you like a little sheet here to break down what each one is made of and what's in each one, what the key products is. And then they have other products on the back, whereas one they have a styling hole, a scalp DIY cocktail kit, a shiner hydration DIY cocktail kit. But all I can do is try it and see how it turns out, and then let y'all know how it is. But it is our Curlbox for November, dealing with, I just love the red hair. Isn't that beautiful? I could never rock that. That's beautiful. And look at that hair. It's beautiful. The art issue. I'm gonna read this and see what I get out of it and try them. But here is our November Curlbox. Natural Fusion by Palmer's. Get back there. Curlbox for November. Thank you for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, and please come back again. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.